Here are the best 7 free online courses by Udemy and BitDegree. Udemy and BitDegree are the two most well-known sites for free and paid courses. We delved in profound to locate some stunning free online courses that are deferred off temporarily yet offer astonishing worth. These courses are exactly what you could want. If you want to join these courses, click on the provided link in description. Free online courses. Number 1. Basic search engine optimization tips I use to get traffic to my WordPress websites. In this course you will learn how to get more organic traffic to your website. It includes basic but powerful SEO tips, so start boosting your Google ranking with the help of this course. Number 2. Instagram influencer marketing for businesses. With this course, tap into hundreds of thousands of influencers who are waiting to recommend your product. Number 3. Secret formula how to buy from Alibaba for your dropshipping business. With this course, learn how to buy from Alibaba to bring success into your dropshipping business. Number 4. Learn web design, the ultimate guide for beginners. It is a web design course on how to use the rules and concepts to create unique graphic designs. Learn web design with confidence. Number 5. Introducing coding for beginners, an HTML and CSS online course. With this course, learn web development from scratch, find out how to create a web page using HTML and CSS. Number 6. Learn how to build a WordPress website without coding. Take this course to learn WordPress and start setting up a WordPress site in no time. Number 7. WordPress for beginners, learn how to create a blog. With this course, learn how to create your first WordPress blog without any prior knowledge. These courses can help you make a lot of money. You can make money by offering freelance services or by starting an affiliate, dropshipping or blogging website. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to know more about the courses, view the blog post from the link provided in description, like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. If you want a website, you can also contact us to build it in affordable price. We can also help you to build your brand identity. We are offering web development, WordPress development, React.js development, graphic designing and digital marketing services. You can contact us via the contact form provided in our website. Link is provided in description.